What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out any information that we put out on Wednesdays. Now today we're going to talk about why it's important to get your credit fixed. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Welcome. Okay, welcome to our guide on why it's crucial to fix your credit. In the next 3 minutes, we will explain why a healthy credit score is not just a financial number, but a key to unlocking countless opportunities, okay? Now, your credit score impacts significantly milestones in your life, like buying a home, a car loan, or landing your dream job. Is more than just a number. It is your financial passport. Okay? A low credit score can lead to rejection when applying for a loan or credit cards. Lenders see it as a red flag, making it harder and more expensive to borrow money. On the other hand, having a higher credit score can open doors. You will enjoy lower interest rates, better loan terms, and access to a broader range of financial opportunities. But here's a catch. Credit repair takes time and effort. It involves reviewing your credit report, identifying errors, and taking steps to improve your financial habits. Okay? So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, there's help available. Here at C.W.C Consulting Service, LLC have joined forces with UWE. The best credit repair specialists will guide you through the process, disputing inaccuracies and creating a plan to boost your credit score. Okay? So imagine the peace of mind that comes when having a higher credit score. You'll qualify for the mortgage, move into your dream home, and build a brighter financial future. Therefore, a good credit score can be a game changer in your career. Some employees check your credit report as part of the hiring process. Therefore, fixing your credit is a no-brainer. It's more than just a financial goal. It is a life-changing decision. Invest in your future today and watch the doors of opportunity swing wide open. Okay, so if you're ready to make that change to take control of your financial destination, contact me and we'll be here to help you on your journey to a better credit and a brighter future. So my name is Renata, the Credit Compass. This is CWC Consulting Service, and I'll see you on the next video. And please follow me on all platforms, and I'll see you on the next one. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward.